So today we have one Mi Note 3. Its problem is if you connect the charger, then only it's getting on. Otherwise, if you disconnect the phone and the charger, the phone it will be off. It won't be on without the charger. So I can show you the problem. Now you can see the charging symbol here. When it's power on, here you can see now it's MI logo is came. Now it's getting both. When you disconnect the cable, now the phone is got off. Now it's not. If you on power button also, it's not getting on. There's no response. So if you connect the charger, it will be on. See, you can see now it's on. So this is the Mi Note 3 and we had to find out what is the problem. So let's start the video, guys. You have to take out the center first and we have to open the phone first. And we have to first disconnect the battery, and second the fingerprint sensor we have to disconnect. And now we are going to check first the battery. So we need to take out the battery. The most problem may be the battery issue, so take out the battery first, and we have to check the battery voltage. Now you can see the 4 point something 4.0 voltage is there, so that means battery voltage is okay. So we have to check the battery motherboard first. So we have to take out the cover from here. We have to be careful. The battery connector, this side is broken, so we have to scratch the position and we have to put some jumper. So first take a blade and need to scratch over here. Now you can see the phone is getting on without charger. So only the problem, the battery sensor connector issue. Now you can see the battery percentage, 61% is there. So there's a lock, but everything's fine. So I hope guys you enjoy this video. We'll do something else in next video. Thank you.